In this video, I show you free apps to earn and make money online which are the best for Bitcoin mining app for beginners this year 2021. These are the best Bitcoin mining apps for beginners. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Enjoy it. So step number 1, download these apps. Step number 2, plug in your charger. And step number 3, enjoy the profits. And the best part is you can repeat this every single day. You don't need to have anything else other than your mobile phone. That means that you don't have to invest a single dollar in any fancy technical equipment. And you can start this process as a complete beginner. There is no learning process. And that means that you don't have to spend several months learning about trading or cryptocurrencies, because you can just follow my instructions. And as long as you pay close attention, you can generate a significant amount of cash. Everything that I'm about to share today is available worldwide. So that means it doesn't matter where you live on Earth, because all you need to have is an internet connection and a mobile phone. Now let us get started. Number 1 method on the list is called freebitcoinapp.net. So this is their homepage. You can use this platform by downloading their app on the Google Play Store. I have been using this app on my Android phone for quite a while, and based on my experience, it works well. Now let's click on this and see what it's all about. As you can see right here, over 41,906 downloads, which are really amazing. And the best part is they managed to get 4.5 stars rating out of 5. So that is pretty good for an app that pays you for simply completing some micro tasks. And just as they described it, you've got tons of tasks to choose from, such as completing surveys, watching videos, downloading different apps on your mobile device and trying them out, and so on and so forth. Now, as it always happens, some people are very much contented with this app, and some are voicing out their discontentment here in the comments. But you can give it a try and see how well it works in your case, because some people might get better results depending on how much patience they have. Other people might give up too early and get confused and just delete the app. So I suggest you give it a try yourself. Number 2 method on the list is one of my personal favorites. It is called CryptoTab browser. This is very similar to Google Chrome. You can actually use this browser in order to surf the web. It has a huge advantage over its competitors. And we're going to talk about that in depth in just a bit. As you can see here, they have both a mobile and desktop version. So it doesn't matter what kind of device you're using. You can use it with your mobile phone and with your personal computer. As long as you have an internet connection, you are good to go. The main reason why we're going to use this browser is that we can use it as a Bitcoin miner. And that means we can mine Bitcoin while we're surfing the web. As you can see, the browser looks very similar to Google Chrome. It uses the same extensions, and you can even link your Google accounts with it. In that way, you can go about your day normally and you wouldn't be bothered. And the best part is, in the background, this browser will be generating Bitcoin for you on complete autopilot. And apart from that, you can also take advantage of their affiliate program. Now that means that whenever you refer one of your friends and they join the website, then they actually get the browser and start mining Bitcoin. You're going to get a commission out of their earnings. And you can repeat that process over and over again. There is actually no limit to how much money you can generate in that manner. All you need to do is share the link with your friends. Going back to their homepage, in order to download and install CryptoTab browser on your device, you can just simply click on the Google Play Store icon here if you're using an Android phone, or click on the App Store icon here if you're using an iOS device. Number 3 method on the list is called Sweatcoin. This app allows you to earn cryptocurrency, which is called Sweatcoin. This is available for both iOS and Android devices. Now, this app pays you to walk. That's exactly what you need to do in order to earn money with this app, nothing more and nothing less. They are going to pay you for each step that you take throughout the whole day. And this app is perfect for you, especially if you're an active person. In order to take advantage of your Sweatcoin balance, you have to purchase certain items from their partner stores. They partnered up with hundreds of different stores and businesses, so you can choose and purchase from different sorts of items using your Sweatcoins. So they have a lot of different partners that are willing to trade their items for Sweatcoin. They've got over 300 different partners, so that gives you a wide range of products to choose from. This is how the app looks like on the Google Play Store. The reviews on this one are really good. It is rated at 4.2 stars out of 5, which is an amazing rating. judging by the fact that they've got over 182,945 downloads. Number 4 method on the list is called StormX. This app basically offers you a bunch of different ways to monetize your time online and generate free cryptocurrency. This one is also pretty much popular, even more popular than CryptoTab browser. It has got over 83,599 downloads. And as you can see, the reviews are pretty good. Now the best feature of this app is they're going to give you cashbacks in cryptocurrencies whenever you shop at one of their feature stores, such as AliExpress, Nike. So when you do your shopping in one of those stores, they're going to give you back a percentage of your money spent with those stores. And as you can see here, you can actually withdraw your cash back in the cryptocurrency of your choice. So if you don't like Bitcoin, you can just go for Ethereum or Litecoin. They also have their own cryptocurrency, which is called StormX, so you might as well be interested in that. I will leave that up to you. Another significant feature of this app apart from the cashbacks is you can earn extra cash by completing micro-tasks such as downloading apps on your mobile phone and trying them out, playing certain games, and so on and so forth. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on, and if we get 1,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Number 5 method on the list is called Crypto Word. It is a mobile game that you can play in your spare time. And if you have enough patience, in the long run, you might be able to win some significant prizes. If you're already playing video games in your spare time, why not give this one a try and get rewarded at the same time while doing something that you love? And that wraps it up. Those are the best Bitcoin mining apps for beginners this year 2021. Number 6 method, Crypto Pop. How to earn Ethereum and Popcoin. Group Bitcoins, Ether, Monero, Ripple, and Neo coins together to pop them. Blast your way through to the moon. One day we will pop star too. The more coins you manage to group together, the more points you get. You will earn Pump It, Lambo, and to the moon badges depending on how many coins you blast. The fewer coins you end up having when you reach the end of each stage, the higher the bonus we give you, judging by the fact that they've got over 38,071 downloads. And the best part is they managed to get 4.4 stars rating out of 5. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, I will see you in some of the next videos.